అందరికీ నమస్కారం. தமிழில் அசுரன், தெலுங்கில் நாரப்பா. The sensational hit Tamil version. So we are do Telugu version with Suresh Production joint venture. So Venkatesh garu already do on my film Garshana Tamil Kaka Kaka. 17 years gap we will do this movie Narappa. The Narappa released 14th May. We are fixed, we are announced theatrical. Unfortunately, COVID, lockdown coming, then only we can't release the movie. Before I do one movie Karnan 9th April. 9th April released, 10th 50% lockdown coming. Next week Sunday no shows, every night show no shows. So we are very much face problem. Third week 100% lockdown. So we are not getting more money. We are lose profit more than crores. Then only I contact with Suresh Babu. So we are already released, announced 14th May. But unfortunately COVID, no theatres open, still going on. Then third wave also coming, everybody talk to informed, any channels, any news, third wave coming. World Health Organizations already told. Then only we are, you think about sir, we are already released, I am the distributor, I love theatres. Unfortunately Karnan released, unfortunately lockdown coming, we are losing profit, more than profit we are losing. So same position coming to this picture Narappa. So more than extraordinary performance doing with Venkatesh Babu garu. Unfortunately we will discuss to, I request Suresh Babu sir, please consider the third wave coming, no theatre opening, we were content ready in all over the all aspects, editing, dubbing, re-recording, mixing and cube, everything we are going, already we are contents going on. Any leak coming we will lose more than. Then only you consider, we are everybody approaching OTT. So you consider sir, take my advice, we are safe. So we are doing movie more than we are giving theatre. So unfortunately we will excuse sir, I told, he consider. Then I pressurize, then giving the permission. So producer safe, money safe, but my family, this situation, I want to go, my family go to see theatre picture, I won't say. Other family, you come to see my picture in theatre, now this time I can't say. Then only consider sir, every person watching OTT in our place, our residence. This is for time problem. Then only we will consider, I request. That only we are giving. Otherwise I never give. I love theatres. Already I released Karnan theatres. Unfortunately lockdown coming, we are losing. So today position, every theatre reduced ticket also. That also we are facing problem, you consider, I told. Then Suresh Babu finally 100% not he is permission, but I pressurize, then only he is giving. So sorry for the inconvenience. Extraordinary performance. Every person like, very much love to do. Venkatesh Babu career never take this type of acting. Extraordinary. This is a milestone performance. So every person love their character. fantastic performance. But unfortunately, the fans, family crowd can't to see theatres. So I am sorry, I am excused. If the corona not coming, everybody watch theatres. But unfortunately, corona is there, third wave is coming, so nobody can come to see. My family, I won't send it. Same other family, you come and see my picture in theatre. I won't today position I won't say. Then only every person, every family, every fans watch one time OTT, you love it. No. We are ready to release only theatres. This fundamental situation we will do this. We are going to this way. Otherwise, I can't release. I love theatres. My blood distributor. Thank you.
హలో సార్ మేడం, యాదాద్రి సమీపంలో భువనసూర డెవలపర్స్ వెంచర్లో
గజం కేవలం 11,999 రూపాయలకే.
మీకు అర్థమవుతుందా?
ఛానల్ను సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయడం మర్చిపోవద్దు, గంట కొట్టడం అస్సలు మర్చిపోవద్దు.